Dad?
Help me, and I will take you to your mother.
No, I haven't told them yet. Will?
What didn't you tell me?
I'm gonna have to call you back. Bye. Mom was sick. Will. Will! Will.
Did you lie to me?
She was very sad. Sometimes people, they get sick and they can't keep going.
Maybe she was sick of you. You lied to me.
I did, I'm sorry.
Alex, ¿no me escuchas?
¿Beto?
Alex.
Hola. ¿Me escuchas?
Sí, mi amor.
Te estoy perdiendo un poco. ¿Estás ahí?
¿Me escuchas? Sí. Aquí
Sí.
estoy, Alex.
Hola.
Mi amor, ¿cómo estás?
Bien, ¿y tú?
Bien, amor. Alex, mira, te quiero pedir perdón.
So a year and a half ago, I met Kyler.
Yes. Oh, I like that look.
We started dating, ended up falling in love, and he proposed, and we decided to get married. So of course I invited every family member that I met on Relative Race to our wedding, and they all showed up.
Love leave me blinded like the morning sun falling in your river. We're gonna do it over and over in the dress. Swimming in the depths of your embrace. We stay with me here until the embers fade.
It's amazing. It's crazy. Like, all of her relatives who I participated in finding, all those people are going to come together to love her and support her on this new chapter of her life, all in my backyard.
The show gave me answers to questions I've wondered since I was a child. It's made me a more positive person. My outlook on life has changed. It's refocused on what's important to me. I'm totally fine with how everything transpired and how my life has turned out. I've been so blessed. If it was possible, would we do Relative Race again? Absolutely, in a heartbeat. I am forever indebted to Dan on down. Every person that has ever worked, I'm indebted to them my whole life. I'd recommend it to anybody that's looking for answers or anybody that just wants to find family, because this show is all about family. And if it's important to you, absolutely I recommend it, period. There's nothing like this experience, nothing like this experience. I promise you.
Look who just rolled in.
Not so long ago, in a 3D printing galaxy not that far away.
So this is amazing. I'm afraid to ask how long this took to print.
It'd take about 72 days of straight printing on one printer.
Was it for Lucasfilm or was it for yourself?
I've always wanted one since I was a little kid, but as soon as I saw 3D printing was available, I'm like, I can do this. This I can do, computers, printing, sanding, painting, I can do that. It's just fun. And it's so fun to watch the kid's face when it rolls up. They're all hugging on it and loving on it. And that's why I do it.
I hope I'm ready for the most important interview of my life.
So what do you think about 3D printing?
Don't break it. You break it, you buy it.
Oh, you break, you buy. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, look, you broke it.
So I can have it?
This is not the droid you're looking for. Hey there. Hey, how are you?
Day 5's challenge is Sumo Slackline. Teams wear Japanese-style sumo suits and must walk across slack lines to carefully retrieve pieces of sushi using only chopsticks. The sushi must be placed on a plate in the center platform. If a teammate falls off or drops the sushi, they must start over. 4 pieces of sushi in the center completes this challenge. The allotted time for sumo slackline is 10 minutes.
Go across the bridge, and as soon as we get over the bridge, we're looking for something called Riverside Parkway.
This is Springdale?
Yes, it says Springdale. Now, what's the address?
It's 844.
Maybe this one?
Patrick.
Patrick! Turn left.
Yes.
1106 is going to be on this side.
Maybe the bridge. Okay,
Riverside
so Riverside
Parkway.
Great.
844.
Yep, 844. Nelson,
Mel.
turn left. Turn left.
What's the number?
Yes,
What's the number?
it
What's
is
the number?
304.
See?
It's right there.
844.
Yep.
There it is.
And